Es la cuadradita así. ¿Me entiendes ahí? La cuadradita así que está.
When the customer promises that they had the stumps removed, no, there's no root ball at all.
He's talking about the serrated there. You're clowning me because I got sick on Monday.
No. Aquel está allá, aquel que le rompieron, ¿no?
And then you have to dig this out by hand. You end up with a hole twice the size of what you needed to plant your tree. Now you have to backfill it all in. And they can't imagine why there's an additional cost. This was all done by hand because a grinder won't get 4 feet down and then pulled up. Root ball number 2. We didn't bring an excavator because we were told these were already removed. So we dug them out by hand. And now, thankfully, we have the skid steer to help load up this on the trailer because that's going to weigh hundreds and hundreds of pounds. So this little thing right here will set you back probably 4 or 5 hours easy on a job. Sometimes 6, 7 hours, depending on how hard they are to get out. So when you hire somebody that says they ground your stumps and they removed it and got it all out, check to see if they only ground it 6 inches or if they actually removed the stump. Because almost every single job we're doing right now where these trees died from the freeze, they're hiring some guy, he's coming in swearing he removed the tree and the roots, and all he's doing is grinding it down just below the surface of the mulch and then calling whoever hired him saying that it's all done, and it's never done. Almost every job is starting to be like this. So check your guys, make them send you pictures of the hole.